Hi, my name is Jashri Anarwanjuso and I have Bachelor in Economy Natural Resources from University Malaysia Terengganu. Why I decided to do this major because students who choose to study economy not only gain the skill needed to understand complex market but come away with strong and analytical and problem-solving skill as well as the business understanding necessary to success in the professional world. In fact, economy can be useful for professionals in all industries, not just in business. As a degree holder in economics, those who study economics will be valued in all areas of public and private spending. Economists' careers in the public sector are often involved in public taxations, transport, commercial and waste service, energy and another form of government spending, thanks in a large part to the most recent global slowdown. Economy students are currently seeing an increase in demand in this sector. My most favorite course is microeconomics. This course have given me a strong foundation in budget planning, analytical and problem-solving skill. That's great question. You have a slight advantage over me since you know what you're looking for and I'm still learning about your company. From what I have learned, it sounds like you are looking for someone who will able to handle customer concern quickly and effectively. Is that accurate? In this case, I like to tell you about a time where I handled a customer issue and they walk away with renewed confidence in our capabilities and service. My biggest strength is I'm good in picking up new skills. I have worked a variety of different from experienced jobs. Things like working as a toll collector and mushroom farm worker as you probably seen on my resume. For most of those jobs, I have ended up picking all of the needed skill with 1 or 2 weeks with basically no previous experience. So I'm pretty sure while I have any experience, I have the right certification and I believe I can get good at it with 2 or 1 week. I feel more motivated when I work with a group. I enjoy having another people. I find that one person can say something that joke your mind and give you come up with a complete new creative idea. I enjoy that kind of experience. Plus, I feel that everyone has something different to contribute to an effort because we all come from such different background. I am outgoing personality and I interest in helping others. Besides helping people, I am interested in communication. I want to help because I want to see how careful selection of language can pursue other to make decision and form opinion based on my presentation of idea. I look forward to using my communication skill and ability to upsell product for the company and show customer the value of high in product. That's all. Thank you.